Welcome to our beginner's guide on video shooting. Whether you want to make a vlog or produce video content for your business, these tips will help you get started. First things first, choose the right camera. A basic DSLR or phone camera can do the job, but investing in better gear will greatly improve the quality of your footage. Before you start filming, analyze the lighting. Shoot in natural light whenever possible, but avoid harsh shadows and bright light. On darker days, use a light source to brighten up your shots. Composition is key. Use the rule of thirds to frame your subjects and create a balanced shot. Next, stabilize your camera. Use a tripod or stabilizer to avoid shaky footage. This will add a professional touch to your video. Now, it's time to shoot. Start with an establishing shot, showcasing the location or scene. Vary your shots and angles to keep your viewers engaged. Don't hesitate to experiment with different shots and move around. Finally, edit your footage. Cut out unnecessary footage and add transitions, music, and text overlays to make your video more engaging. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips will help you improve your video shooting skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.